Hey there. So let's talk about a common issue that some VS Code users might face after a recent update. The problem arises when the new Incoming-Outgoing Changes Graph feature is introduced in the workspace. While this can be useful for some, others find it unnecessary and may feel like it's cluttering up their workspace. If you're in the latter group and wondering how to get rid of this graph, worry not, as there's a solution at hand. When it comes to solving this problem, the solution is quite straightforward. By simply adding scm.showHistoryGraph false to your JSON settings, you can make that pesky graph disappear from your workspace. This setting essentially toggles the display of the Incoming-Outgoing Changes graph, giving you a cleaner and more personalized coding environment. So, the next time you open up VS Code and no longer want to be bothered by the graph, just tweak this setting and voila, problem solved. In conclusion, managing unwanted features in VS Code can be a breeze with a simple tweak in your JSON settings. By including scm.showHistoryGraph false, you can customize your workspace to better suit your preferences. So, if you ever find yourself grappling with cluttered features in VS Code, remember that a quick setting adjustment can work wonders. Keep coding, keep customizing, and until next time, happy coding. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Your feedback keeps this channel going.